Come on! What's up, guys? We're at the Silverthorne skate park with Michael, the ski doctor. We're gonna warm up and then we're gonna skate. All right, we're warmed up. Let's get it.
Oh, woo!
You okay?
It's just a high one.
Oh,
that's awesome.
Dude, you're so close.
That's really fun. I don't know why it's making me want to jump off every single time. Like there's nothing I can do almost.
Like, I think it pauses, like the board stops for a second because it. Yeah. See, guys, even for good skaters like Michael, it takes a couple times, and he still wasn't even happy with that one, so he wants to run it back.
For boys.
Board. All right, so this wasn't planned, but this old guy showed up to show us how it rocked in the 60s on a skateboard.
What's going on, man? 80s, man. 80s. What's up?
If you don't know who this is Sean. He's the best tattoo artist I've ever had, and also in Silverthorne. By the way, tell us about your...
Oh, the voting?
The voting.
So Summit Daily is a newspaper up here. If you've ever been here, you've probably seen it. They are having the best of Summit this year, and we were nominated. So if you want to go to the link that Johnathan will proudly put in the description below, you have till the 6th of September to vote for Summit Ink Tattoo.
Do it. Help Sean out.
I got you.
I would really appreciate it.
Yeah, we wanna get him more people, because the more people Sean gets, the more fun stuff we can do.
Yeah, the better deals you get in the future too.
Yeah. Yeah. Close. Sorry to all the kids that are back in school, but it is so nice that the skate park is completely empty. No scooter kids, no nobody, honestly. It's just super sick.
I wanted that.
I'm sorry, I was trying to figure out how to get out of the bowl too. I was so sick.
It's too slow.
He fell right here. The last board length.
Better speed.
I'm so proud of you.
A little faster. Yeah.
Oh no!
Sean trying to help
I
him
was
out.
trying to give him a little bonus push.
It's the upslope.
It's okay, buddy. No one's blaming you for this.
I'm crying.
Dude, Michael's been going after that manual though. It's so sick to see someone like try so hard for something. Definitely makes me want to skate a little harder, but then at the same time, I don't know. Come on!
That's a good one.
Yeah, that was sick. Just something happened at the end.
I was trying to.
Oh yeah, good kick. Hell yeah.
That's so funny. I was gonna try to pop show it off, and I was like, oh no, maybe I shouldn't. And then I was like, oh god.
That counts, right? That counts.
That was a drop.
Heck yeah, dude. All right, guys, Michael tried that, I think, 20 times, so make sure you go follow his Instagram, Ski Doctor. Give the guy some love. And like I said, you can tune up your stuff. Kind of the Michael show, but that's okay. He was ripping. It's the, I like to show you guys the best content we got, so heck yeah, Michael. Hope you guys liked today's video, though. I did. It was sick, super sick to film Michael ripping. All right, guys, get used to Michael's face because he's gonna be helping us this winter. Obviously, he's got his ski dock thing. He tunes in and does up skis and snowboards. But we're talking about doing some board reviews together. Michael's gonna be the tech guy. He knows everything about snowboarding, so be ready for that. It's gonna be super sick. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe because our goal is to help you become the best snowboarder possible. Skateboarding is not snowboarding, but it does translate. So you should try skateboarding if you've never done it. With that, guys, all the merch is in the description as always. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we will see you next time.
Subscribe.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger. Yes, I so do banger. I'm the new Mick Jagger. I'm the new Mick Jagger.